Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the worrying spike in COVID-19 cases in Manchester has caused health officials to act. Just a short while ago, at 7 p.m., a curfew took effect in the parish. Speaking at a press conference earlier today, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton pointed to people ignoring rules relating to the wearing of masks and public gatherings as reasons for the surge.
From all angles, the COVID-19 picture in Manchester is causing worry. A rapid increase in COVID-19 cases in the parish. 125 new cases were recorded between January 10 and 24. In other words, Manchester accounts for some 11% of all confirmed COVID-19 cases in the island in the last 2 weeks. The positivity rate for the parish for the past 2 weeks is 3 times the national average. Manchester is also seeing an increase in the hospitalization of people with respiratory symptoms, burdening healthcare facilities.
Of note is that our major hospitals in the region are at the amber and red alert levels. Mandeville Regional Hospital, 76%, and Percy Junior Hospital, 83% occupancy. Again, we have to manage those numbers so that we do not become overwhelmed.
More and more people who turn up at hospitals in the parish for non-COVID related conditions have also been receiving COVID-19 positive test results. So the minister says it's time for action, tighter curfew measures.
The curfew hours for Manchester will begin at 7 p.m. this evening. That's Monday the 25th of January. And end at 5 a.m. on Monday, February 8th, 2021. With persons allowed to move about between 5 a.m. and 7 p.m. each day.
Public gatherings will also be limited to 10 persons. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa-McKenzie says over 30 Manchester communities are affected.
These are some of the communities that we can see that we are having cases in, with the largest number of cases in the Mandeville Central area. Next. And right across the parish, you can see that we are having cases. Now, we're a small number of cases that are occurring right across the parish, but importantly, what we are seeing is that many of these cases are symptomatic cases.
The danger, Dr. Bisesa-McKenzie argues, is that these symptomatic persons will spread the virus to others. And just like other parishes which have seen a rapid increase in COVID-19 cases, the minister says the rules are not being followed.
There is non-compliance to infection prevention and control measures, as many persons are not wearing masks, and there is more crowding and gatherings that are observed on the ground by the surveillance team.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton says there is concern about the number of cases in St. Anne and St. James, but he notes that the ministry will continue to monitor those parishes.